What's up, TRT community? Let's help each other. Well, I told you guys in last week's Motivated Monday video, I was going to reveal to you what my personal challenges for myself were going to be in this month of August, since this is all about our Motivated Mondays. What are we going to be doing with our motivation? How are we going to be bettering ourselves and helping others? Well, let me tell you what I'm going to be doing to better myself and help a very worthy organization. Let me tell you about this organization called Operation Valor. Let's go to their website.
All right, so let's look at their website now, which is opvalor.org. I'm going to show you guys in just a second what I meant when I said that I'm also going to be challenging myself as well as helping this organization. So these guys are great. Their mission is to support veterans in need physically, mentally, and emotionally. And when you give to this organization, you help all of these 6 different foundations as well. Really worthy causes here. So what's the challenge? Well, when you click on 2018 Operation Valor virtual runs, it's not just for the 2018 ones. As you scroll down here, you'll see this link, and it will take you to this cool thing, which is the 2019 Operation Valor Memorial Run Trifecta. I mentioned to you guys in the last video that this challenge to myself would come in 3 parts. Well, the goal that I've set for myself is going to come in 3 parts. Well, here are the 3 parts. There is something called an Operation Red Wings Memorial 5K, Extortion 17 Memorial 10K, and the Fallen Heroes Memorial Run Half Marathon. This is a virtual run, and what that means is you can do it anywhere you want. And we paid this $125, which is a great discount, because if you did them all, it would be $175. And by the way, guys, I'm not connected with this organization at all. I don't get any kickback from them. I just think they're a great group. What's really cool is this. Not only do you get those really cool medals that you saw right here, every time you do one of these, you get this medal for the 5K, this medal for the 10K, and then this medal for the half marathon. But they've also started a new thing where they are including wedges for each of these runs. This would be the wedge for the 5K, the 10K, and the half marathon. And when you put them all together, they make this really awesome trifecta. If I'm not mistaken, it's magnetized, so it all sticks together. Each of these runs that they do talks about different missions. Different military people passed away on that mission. And so that's why on the back of each of these wedges, you've got all these names. These are Navy SEAL guys. These are special ops guys from all the different branches that died in these different missions. But you can go on their site here and read all about what they're about and the heroic acts that these men did to protect our country. And so for me, this is a win-win. Taking on a challenge for myself that comes in 3 parts, and then also helping a very worthy organization. And so today I'm going to be trying to earn this first 5K. There's going to be a challenge within a challenge in this 5K though, and I'll tell you about that right now.
Well, because my wife recently challenged me to run my fastest mile I've ever tried before. So I'm going to be mixing that challenge with my 5K and earn that first wedge and that first medal and get that trifecta on its way. I've got my running gear on. I've got my Adidas running shoes. I've actually never owned Adidas before. It sort of makes me feel like Run DMC, you know, my Adidas. So, Motivated Monday underway. Here I go, setting the watch. Boom. Okay, let's see. Nice. That's my fastest one ever. So as you see there, 3.1 miles, 29 minutes, 41 seconds. That's the fastest 5K I've ever personally run. And let's get some details on that first mile. 7 minutes, 34 seconds. That's the best I've ever done on a mile. So, 2 personal records in this goal I set for myself. You guys can do it too. Come on. What's motivating you? What are you motivated to do? Get out there, guys, and do it. Don't waste your motivation. We've been given this gift of better levels of motivation, proper levels of motivation, where we can get our testosterone back where it's supposed to be. Join me. Let's not waste it. Next week, you'll see how I'm going to be earning that second part of the trifecta, and I'm mixing it up a little bit to make it a little harder, a little more challenging. So, can I get a like for breaking these PRs? I'd appreciate that. Thanks for watching. God bless. Peace.